Welcome. We will set up a Facebook page connection and automate data updates via refresh schedule. Once logged in, navigate to the connection screen and select Add New to begin. Choose the appropriate connection. Proceed next. Once you click Connect, an authentication pop-up will appear. Enter your credentials and password. Once you click Continue, click Reconnect to confirm and establish the connection. Click Next, followed by Save to successfully complete the connection process. Now go to the collection screen and click on Add New to create a new collection. Select the connection and click Next to continue. Select the object and then click Next to proceed. Select the specific ID, choose the required fields from metrics, and accordingly the data will be displayed on the visualizer. Click Save to finalize and add the collection. Upon clicking the three dots, the Refresh Schedule option will appear. However, verify that your Google Sheets connection is established first. Navigate back to the collection screen and click on Refresh Schedule. In the pop-up, enter the Google Sheet URL where you want the data to be updated and click Check Connection to verify access. Enter the sheet name. Choose your preferred sync method. You can also optionally enable email notifications to receive update alerts. Afterward, configure the schedule timing to determine when the updates should be applied. That's it. You'll easily get email notifications when your sheet updates, and data will update at the scheduled time based on your syncing method. Thank you for your time and attention.